Good morning, good morning, good bloody morning. Let's see what we can find, if we can even find anything, because pretty stuff's around us at the moment, man. Right, so no news until later.
once as it intercepted 3 missiles and several drones.
I don't know who sent them. Iran wouldn't. Why the hell would they restart the war that they didn't want? Oof, we are so close, man, to that level. Holy moly. I think if I'm gonna take a trade, it's gonna have to be one that is literally lined up to go short. Build up, sweep, build up, sweep, build up, sweep. Now we gotta move here to the upper side. Build up, sweep, build up, sweep, build up, sweep, build up, sweep. Kinda clear, isn't it? First leg, second leg here. If you break this point, then you can consider going long. I'm staying on M5 on UJ because that's gonna be a tricky one. Majority of it was going bullish. So this is gonna tell us if we're right or wrong. Well, direction even. Frankfurt low, Frankfurt high. Plugged into this invalid zone, which technically broke structure with volume, pushing it there, had contraction. Stopped here. I think if it comes wicks this low and starts to go higher, then there's your evidence. Price still wants to go bullish. I think it will. It's coming to tag that zone now, so is this. But everything else is falling, so I don't get it. Bah. Not looking at UJ yet. There are two levels to go short on UJ. see what happens. Yes, 5 minute zone, under 4 minute zone. Not a 3, 2, or 1. So yeah, that's a bit. That could come back and fail. Come on, let's see where it's gonna go.
Engine room. It added that in response to this aggression and violation of the Hormuz Straits regulations, a vessel belonging to the American Zionist enemy called Panaya was targeted by the IRGC's missiles.
GU's holding, EU's falling. That means GU might kind of drop as well. Oh. So now price has come and taken these lows. Now is it gonna go higher from here, or is it the case where first leg, second leg? Let's keep an eye on it. And to be honest, I don't want to be buying yen even on GJ just in case. Better to wait to be safe. You can't count that as a second leg because that zone there. Don't like the look of any of this either. That's the only clean zone. Looks like UJ is gonna come. USD card's gonna come down. I feel like a 1 to 2 right now.
The OECD sees US growth of 2% in 2026 unchanged, 1.8% in 2027. See 2026 global growth at 2.1% in long disruption case. Sees UK growth at 0.9% in 2026, 1.1% in 2027. Sees Euro area growth of 0.8% in 2026, 1.2% in 27. Chinese growth of 4.5% in 26, 4.3% in 27. Japanese growth of 0.6% in 26 versus 0.8% in 28.
I don't know what news that's supposed to be. Interesting, seeing the reports of it now. Iran struck the MSC Panaya off the coast of Bahrain a few hours ago. The ship is owned by the Aponte family with close ties to President Trump. Interesting. Let's see if I can get some more news on that. What the fucking hell is wrong with the Huckabee, man? Don't call him a cook for Israel. Yo, that's funny. That was yesterday. That is so funny. Yo, that's crazy. So it's 4 hours ago. The attack occurred. No, here is 7 hours ago. So 1 in the morning UK time, I think. Wild, man. Absolutely wild. Okay, currency strength chart. NZD is the weakest. USD is creeping to be the strongest, as well as JPY. There's gonna be an intervention soon. I can just feel it. I can just feel a move is coming. Alright, London Open, what happened? Fuck all on GU. Fuck all on EU. EU. Nothing here on GJ. Going higher. That's fine. I would have wanted to go long on EU GU, but EU fell down. So that was cause for concern on GU also. And the SL on GJ was huge. Like, huge. Look at this here. Let's tag the invalid zone. Expect it to wick that low and then go higher. Oh. Typical, innit? Absolutely typical. Now EU wants to push up, yeah? Yeah. Still don't want to long. I want to see price come up, take these highs, then position for shorts because I've got a feeling interventions inbound. Like soon. What's BMC? Spanish services PMI 48.3 come out at 50.1. I'll take that. That's good. That's good. We got European Central Bank speak. Person talking about things. 5 minutes. And then 8:50 we got French PMI. 8:55 German PMI. Eurozone 9 o'clock. And then 9:30 UK, which is forecasted very low. Then you got Governor Ueda speaks at 9:30. I might just cut the stream. I'm literally not gonna be able to do anything. After trade New York session, see if I can catch something between 2 and 240, and then hold it for services PMI. That's all I can think of. And then Governor Ueda speaks at 9:30. I could probably, depends how long he speaks and what he says, man. Price is gonna move faster, and if it moves in a direction I can't get it. Gonna be bloody tricky, man. Let's have a look at Burton weather, yeah? I might just cut the stream and go for a walk, because I haven't been able to do any of my walks because the weather's been cookage. So let's just see if I can catch. Things are gonna rain. 90% chance it's gonna rain at 10 o'clock. And it's 14 degrees, it's a bit cold as well. They're saying 9-10 o'clock as well. I'll just stay here. I'll trade. What else can I do? I'll have to do my job. God damn it! What's the chart saying then? Euro did a move, then just started to contract. Would have been up like 2.5 or if that. Hardly anything to be boasting about. So yeah. It's sold off now, it's going up, but I don't want to buy UJ, I want to stay on the short side. Fuck's sake, the cats are on it again. Shut the fuck up. Ruddy, wow. Bloody wah. Wah. You just hear him in the background. Wah, 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 wah. Fucking ass. Do on this because this isn't doing nothing either. Volume still on the long side. Contraction and slow price actions on the short side. You had two good candles here. One good candle there. Two good candles there. But you've had bullish, 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 bullish. So I'm still on camp long USD CAD. do want to go long USD CAD. So there you go, you would have had break even, you would have been up to about 2.5 or then you would have tagged the break even. And then on Euro, yeah, I didn't even give an entry. Oh dear. So let's have a look now at what's happened. They had all these highs that were taken here. Them to just clean up the chart a bit. So we're just continuing the direction down.
FX policy is important to support the economy.
And then on here,
well, hello everybody, this is Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
the build out sweet that level. Price is gonna come down further. If you just come to that low, you can get rid of that now. That's proved it's failed.
At 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Italian Services PMI forecast 49.2, Prive 49.8.
There you go. There you go. Yen did another move. Oh,
Says there to deepen international cooperation, including with the US on FX.
Yeah, man. Wow. Oh, that was a big move, in fact. And if you think about it, Asia range has only been 20 pips. Madness. Yeah, that's done. Wait, why is he talking now? Ah, that's President Takaichi. Sanae Takaichi. So that's happened. We should get another strong recovery up, but what if just possibly Governor Uyedi then just says boom, we're done with intervention, or it just suddenly happens? I wouldn't be surprised. We just get another random move. How bad is the damage on GJ? So it's like 33, right?
At 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Italian Services PMI forecast 49.2, prior 49.8.
35, not really a lot.
3:50 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French PMIs Services forecast 42.9, prior 42.9. Composite forecast 43.5, prior 43.5.
We'll do London high for New York. Boom, diggity doo. The Frankfurt high taken, Frankfurt low taken. This took that low out there. I'm just gonna grab that, put it on Asia low here for New York session, just in case we keep seeing price move off. Do 2 minutes, I suppose. And then naturally Euro moved off of the back of that news. Yeah, 34. Yeah, Forex generally had to move off of the back of there. IE, EU and G also moved. Let's look at USD CAD. That should have also. Oh, GBPCHF, what you done? What have you done? What have you done? Yep. Go weekly high. Be good if I had the edge finder readings. What were they yesterday? We're somewhat bearish. Alright, let me go on the stream from yesterday and then have a look what the edge finder reading was yesterday.
Japan's PM Takaichi says transactions not based on real demand, including speculative moves, are increasingly affecting Forex markets.
Yesterday's stream. So you want to go after news, right? So let's go into the evening session with what's his face? Iga. Yeah, okay, so GBPUSD was bearish 10. GBPUSD 7. GJ 5. UJ plus 5. And that was, yeah, quite late because I think that would have been well after the news. Well after the
Have still got some Kiwi cat helping us out.
CAD CHF is the most bearish pair, and then GBP CHF. Look at CAD CHF instead then. I might as well look at CAD CHF. What about USD CAD? What's going on with USD CAD? Not on the list anymore. It's probably neutral now. Damn it. Did any of them have a neutral reading on the edge finder?
$49.4, $49.4 higher than forecast, $49.2. We are now 5 minutes away from 350, where we see French PMIs, services forecast 42.9, prior 42.9, composite forecast 43.5, prior 43.5. At 3:55 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs, services forecast 47.8, prior 47.8, composite forecast 48.6, prior 48.6.
No, they didn't even cover the edge finder, man.
Because you can do this on an Excel sheet.
Maybe Nick covered it. No, none of them covered neutral. Why did they not cover what the hell's gone neutral, man? I swear to God. Oh, sorry, hi, Vi. I was looking at something, man. Sorry.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I was looking for the fundamentals in it. The data for the fundamentals for GBP CHF. And then I seen CAD CHF is the most bearish pair. I was wondering if I should go short on it or not or something, you know. Full port the short. Full port the short.
William, knife man.
Well, fundamentally, yeah, it makes sense to go short, innit? So I'm just trying to figure out what the... Because I'm going to start doing swing trading and stuff as well, man. This low time frame shit's pissing me off, bro. Especially when you got markets like this. I'd rather be in a swing position where fundamentals work. At least you're going to get 1-2 days of profit, yeah? And then if you can enter on M1 and catch 1-2 days of profit, that's going to be 70-80, or rather just do that on loads of other pairs instead. If EU and GU and UJ are being dirty, man. Like, legit, because I'm just getting bored of this shit, man. It's pissing me off too much. Yeah, it's very relaxed, bro. That's how, like, I want to swing from M1 in it. But easier said than done, because it's hard to look at so many pairs on M1. But I might start looking at those pairs where they have fundamental reason to go short. Oh, this is beautiful. The spreads ain't too bad either on CAD CHF. And I've heard rumors that CAD's gonna go into recession, so CAD CHF shorts look ideal. How are you anyway, Harune? I think people hate swing because they don't like to hold positions overnight. Might be stressful for them. Yeah, and also they're greedy. They want money fast in it. Oh, I don't want to be in a trade for 1 week to make money. I want to be in a trade in 3 seconds and make money. There's that as well. So they don't understand with swing trading, you're playing the higher time frame narrative and you're lining with like institutions.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with French services PMI,
which obviously is more focused on macroeconomics and stuff like that. And obviously these people don't understand any of this stuff. Like they don't understand any of it. On to the next song. Yes, it has. So obviously because they don't understand any of it, they've got no idea. So CAD CHF is the most bearish pair fundamentally, then is GBP CHF. So I want to get GC has okay spreads. Opening a new prop firm is a bad idea, bro. Most people scammers, bro. Nothing much, no account, no Rari. Yeah. It's okay, honestly, Harune, with the way things are looking, yeah. If this price action continues for the whole of June and the whole war, oh yeah, we got negotiations. Iran says we don't. Israel attacks. Iran says if you attack again, we're pulling out negotiations. Price does a 300 pip move on gold, does a 60 pip move on EUGU. Then 10 minutes later, Trump says, yo, relax. Israel sort his shit out. Then Israel says, okay, we listen. Then it does another 60 pip drop down again. And then after the news, there's just no volume. If this goes on for another month, yeah?
Eurozone
talk, man.
Services forecast.
If this goes on for another month, bro, I'm telling you, the banks and everyone is just gonna say, fuck it, we're going on holiday we're just gonna go on holiday. And then July is gonna be shit and August is gonna be shit. Because there's no volume in the market, yeah? Because no bank or institution wants to put like millions of dollars on a trade, yeah? Just to get slapped by news. Because you can't predict what's happening. Normally the markets give you insight in it, yeah, but I find it interesting how the market gives no insight because there's too much uncertainty. Okay, French PMI services come out. So forecast was 42.9, come out at 44.3, which is good, but below 50 is declining economy. France is at 44. That's way below 50. That's way below 50. German's coming out in 4 minutes, which is the main bulk of the economy in Europe. Yeah, that's why I was looking into massive sideways market. Yeah, if you could, Forex is a ranging market. It's not a trending market. Like 80% of the time or 70% of the time, Forex is ranging. It's not a trending market. Gold trends heavily, but we've been in the perfect conditions for gold, where we've seen weak dollar, we've seen rate cuts, we've seen war going on after war going on after war going on, we've seen Middle Eastern tension, we've seen economical decline. These are perfect for gold. So gold's been fantastic for the last 4 or 5 years. 4 years. You had COVID going on. Last 6-7 years, gold's been fantastic. But if you go in a futures, not really, no, because I had this discussion already. Futures firms were only made because in America you can't trade Forex. So they made futures where you can trade Forex pairs via the futures broker. I don't think they're regulated still. I don't think futures are regulated still. Futures brokers are, like the legit brokers. So, okay, the indices, that doesn't make sense to me at all. I really don't understand the indices. They should not be flying the way they are. Seems good, but you still get rejections. It's still not regulated. Basically, it's exactly the same, bro. Don't look at futures and think it's the fix. It's not. If you want to do it legit, yeah, go to a regulated broker in your own country that trades Forex. Do that. Or if you're in America, go to a broker. They'll do futures only. Just do that. They're regulated. Simple as that. Futures firms aren't regulated. Prop firms aren't regulated. So, with that being said, the point I was trying to make is that people just idolize futures for no reason. I don't get why they literally idolize it. It don't make no sense. People are still getting rejected and stuff like that. You still got rules that you break and you don't get paid out. Okay, so if you see many traders getting 20, 30k, yeah, passing accounts, how long before they reject you? You know, that's made so simple, man. I don't understand why people don't get it. If you see firms paying out loads of money, that's bad, because they're gonna run out of liquidity. You see what I mean? Like, if you got like 100,000 traders, yeah, making 30,000 each, that's 30 million every month, yeah. They need to be making 40 million at least to make profit and cover the costs and everything. Which prop firm is making 40 million of profit a month? I don't know many doing that, bro. You know what I mean? Especially if they're only FTMO, yeah? FTMO restrict traders, FTMO restrict gamblers.
5 minutes away from Eurozone PMI services, forecast 46.4, prior 46.4. Composite forecast 47.5, prior 47.5.
Okay, so 47 forecast, 48.1 growth, but still below 50. Better than the forecast, but still below 50. I think if UK does not hit 50, the UK is cooked. The UK is absolutely cooked if it doesn't hit 50. Things are bad over the UK at the moment economically. What's the market saying anyway? I'm supposed to look at the market. Yes, so this level here, yeah, I want to short from here. That's on the 1 hour time frame, so it's down to 5 minute. Go 4 hour really quick. Yeah, we had meeting with agency, and yeah, 90% profits only work in simulated account, no A book. That's what I'm talking about. They have 90% aren't even A booking them. FTMO A books you, so it's okay because they have successful traders making money. They give you. One of my friends, yeah, has been trading for 7 or 8 years now. Pre-COVID. No, he was in uni days. That was 2018. 8 years, isn't it? 2 plus 6, 8 years, yeah. And he's had 80k in payouts with FTMO. And FTMO offered him a salary. FTMO offered him a book. And he said no. So I know FTMO is making money and they can afford to pay traders because they've got successful traders being earned a salary and literally A-booking them traders. And they're still making money from failing traders anyway. It makes sense. And FTMO has numerous other businesses. They bought out Owanda the broker. They brought out America's biggest broker, Owanda, bro. That's one of their most biggest brokers. FTMO bought them out, a prop firm. How? Because the A-book. If you've got successful traders, yeah, making 30-40% a year, which is kind of average, yeah. If you're making 2% a month, that's 20%. If you're making 4% a month, you're looking at 45%. So, you know, 2% average a month, 2 to 3% average. 4 or 5% is more upper tier quality trader. So if you're making anywhere from like 30-40% a year on trading, yeah, and you've got, I don't know, probably 200, 300, 400 successful traders, you're giving them all 1 million each, bro. I don't know how much money they have, yeah, 200,000, 100,000, whatever, a million each, whatever, yeah. They literally run like an institution, bro. FTMO is basically an institution using prop firms, which is fantastic idea. I would do the same thing. I'd build a prop firm, let you get 5 payouts back to back to back with correct risk management, everything. Then I'd interview you. Then I'd employ you as a trader. I'll get you your own psychologist. I'll get you your own nutritionist. I'll get you your own psychologist. I'll get you your own sleeping pattern person. I'll get you your own personal trainer. So you're running in tip-top condition, and then you're performing even better. That's what FTMO does. Literally, they have everything set up for you. Not like all the personal trainer shit, but like the psychologist and trading coach and stuff like that. Why? Because that's what hedge funds do. They make sure their traders are in peak condition, bro. Bro, they have all that shit. You know hedge funds, yeah? But I'm not joking. When you go hedge funds, bro, them fuckers are earning serious bank, yeah? They're paying their traders good money, bro. They're giving bonus checks for 300, 400, 500k bonus checks, yeah? They're getting flipping
Eurozone services.
Oh, they're probably getting like flipping next level chefs cooking for them on a daily basis in the where they work on site and stuff like that, because they know trading's a hard job, yeah? So they need their traders to be on tip-top condition. They're gonna have psychologists on site, personal trainers, gyms, everything. And it's gonna be sick quality as well, bro. I'm telling you. And I think FTMO is using prop firms to basically do the same thing, because they don't have the money a hedge fund does. So they're using their money from failing traders to get traders, employ them, chuck them on a salary, all that stuff, yeah? And then they give them a trading coach and shit like that, because obviously they don't want them to lose the money if it's real money. It makes sense. That's what I would do as well. I would literally do that.
47.7.
I'd have a nutritionist. I'd have a chef.
Composite 48.
I'd have a psychologist. I'd have a personal trainer.
47.5.
What else is there? Like whatever benefits your life. So your life is in the most best way it can be. So then your trading is the best it can be. Like honestly, it's mad, bro. When you look at what traders do, they have those also. Like obviously, you know what I mean. Like when they be like, "Yo, you stressed out from trading? Yo, go beat, man. Go get some." Oh. Wait, I got the wait.
William, knife man.
You think you say go get some of that? You think you say, listen, you're stressed out from trading, yeah? The Trump's fucking you over. Go get some. You'll never join. You need to be successful. I'll footboot their job. You know you can't do stuff like that as well, yeah? You know in hedge funds and stuff like that, you have like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 and stuff like that, yeah? So you fucking tattoo. When you're working for hedge funds, like, you know, if you have a big trade and stuff like that, you'll have like a manager, and they'll have to approve your trade and stuff like that. Are you funded with FTMO? Nah, not yet. I'm still in the challenge phase, innit? Because the markets have been shit. But if FTMO offers me a salary and stuff like that, 100% I'm taking it. 100% I'm taking it. And I'm gonna make demands. I'm gonna say, yeah, sure, but I want my own psychologist. Yeah, I can contact whenever I need to contact them. And I want like a capital manager, else I can talk to my own capital manager and asset manager straight away. I'm gonna make requests. Because I'm going to treat it as if it's a hedge fund, because I know that's what they want. They want those traders who are clued on, bro, and they know what they're doing. Like, I would love to have my own trading floor. And then just employ it with like Palestinians and Syrians and Sudanese, yeah? And then just make serious bank. And then fund all. Oh, that'd be a sick idea. Imagine if we made enough money, you could fund all the poor countries. Like if you're making like billions and billions, you could just donate like 200-300 million to poor countries and stuff like that to fix their economy. Oh my god, that'd be so good, man. You're living in the UK, relax yourself, you're alright. Learn about Palestinians and Sudanese, you're getting raped and shit like that. Man's like, what about me? When you get raped, I'll give you money, innit? This guy, man. Mark is great to me. Now you did that to yourself. You did that to yourself, bro, when you nitty art, innit? You're like, gold's dropping, momentum's coming in short. Ching ching, ching ching, ching ching, ching ching, ching ching, short. And then Trump's like, we've had fantastic news. The war's coming to an end, and then one fat 300 pip candle, and then in 1 second, what's the sound when your SL gets hit? And then you get the sound when your SL gets hit, yeah, and then the can goes from $300 because the balance is small, $300 balance, yeah, into negative $500, and then your broker rings you saying, Harun, you bastard, you're in negative 500, you owe us $500. You can be like, bro, I was trying to make money, man. I was trying to make money in it. Trump had me, bro. Trump had me in it. I was scaling into the shorts. Momentum was there, bro. Gold is getting liquidated. I went short in it, bro. I thought it was the right thing to do, man. I tried to pass my account in it. Oh, man. I think that's another reason why people are mindful of gold at the moment as well. Like, in all honesty, I think that's another reason why they're a bit like wee with gold. But yeah, Vi, if I get offered a salary and stuff like that, I would fully take it 100%, man. I don't even mind if I get 50-50 profit split on a 100k account. I don't even mind because it's guaranteed money, because it's a real account, real money in it. I'm in the 5%. I made one payout in my life. Not really, Haroon, because you lost like 50 million accounts before that. I've only just lost an account, yeah, and even that I don't even class it as losing an account because all the others are still there and ACG somehow lost and the other ACG accounts are fine. So I just put that down to a dodgy account, innit? But yeah, I mean, the 5% isn't really about, yeah, I don't know how to put it, man. Consistency is what it's about, not profitability. Profitability doesn't matter, bro. You could trade for 1 year, lose 90k, yeah? Trade next year, make 100k. In 2 years, you made 10 grand. That's fuck all, man. And what are you gonna do with that? Nothing. See what I mean? That's so close to 160, yeah, on bastard UJ, and then it had to drop. I really don't see price going anywhere, man. Fuck's sake. Anyway, yeah, CHF looks good, you know. If I can get a clean short, I would consider CAD CHF for like a swing position, but on M1. If I can get like a clean move anyway. The spreads ain't bad either, actually. I should probably put CAD CHF on my chart. Get CAD CHF. Add CHF. Oh, that's already done. GBP. Oh, that's already done as well, yeah. If I need to, I can whack on CAD CHF rapid. It's funny because it's been creeping up since Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is creeping up. I needed to do a drop down so I can hop in a short and then swing it. I want to catch my first $100 trade, man. And then like $200 or $300 after that. So seeing a divergence from EU and GU. GU is growing up, EU is coming down. It's just wicking on both sides. This is horrendous price action again, man. Gus me fuck's sake. So from 123, which is here, since 6:30. So since 6:40, we've done a 12 pip range in 2.5 hours. Yeah, a 12 pip range in 2.5 hours, and then on GU, 680. This should be a bit better. Because obviously GU's got a bit more volume. GU's done actually not bad. Not bad. Done 25 pips since the thingy. But we've had the news everywhere, man. PMI day. News here, news there, news everywhere. Can't seem to fucking catch it into that catching a news thing getting in the way. And I did want longs as well. But then price would have tagged it. So literally I wanted to go long here. But then obviously tagged it there, go break even. Here's break even, come back, tag it, and then flew off. So fucking wouldn't made any difference anyway. Annoyingly. Yen was doing not much. That was doing 8-9 pips, and then it had the news come out from Japan, and then obviously it fell off the cliff. What about this here? No wait, GJ innit? GJ. Yeah, down here. The GJ was Frankfurt low to Asia highs 27. That wasn't too bad. That was going okay. I didn't long that because the SL was 5 pips. That's a big SL on GJ, so I didn't long that. Also, I don't want to be buying yen. I want to be shorting yen. And then obviously the news happened and it fell off a cliff, which is why I wanted to short yen. USD CAD. USD CAD. So this has had a lovely move here, but that's off of news as well because news happened at 8:33. So come. Oh, wait a second. Have you had any more news? I had news about attacks at 9:05 and 9:07. 9:05. That's that one there. And then 9:05 and 9:07. I got a feeling I have to look at New York. Got a feeling I have to just look at what New York does. In all honesty, there's no point even having a look at that. I'll just go straight over to Thursday 9:30. Fucking. I'm not seeing a scientific move on euro. Nope. Probably Tuesday 9:30. We're nearing the bottom, so it makes sense. I think that I'm just gonna call it a day, but I'm gonna wait for the news to come out for the UK because I need to see how bad the economy is looking. But other than that, I think I'm done, man. Like, I'm losing patience here. It's Alan. This is the Arab music I'm playing, innit? The stuff I'm playing. Bro, markets are shit again, man. And the problem is you got PMI day in it, services PMI, so there's news every 5-10 minutes. Services PMI day in it. Yen moved massive. I'll show you in a second. So yen did a fat move. Get rid of that. Go to 4 o'clock for New York session. There. Be honest, that's not gonna happen really, is it? That's gonna go over to Thursday. That's fine. So Frankfurt did a move, yeah. GU tagged it. But EU's falling off a cliff, yeah. So I was like, I can't take GU long as if EU's are falling and falling. That's dodgy, innit? But ended up working out okay. But there wouldn't have really been any partials or anything. It didn't give enough pip volume to even get a partial, just to break even. USD CAD. There was nothing on shorts, nothing on longs. Literally nothing on USD CAD yet. Euro, as I said, it was shit. Because GU's going up, Euro's just like behaving really weird. I wanted to obviously short UJ, and then literally 8:30 Japan said something. It fell like 50 pips, 40 pips. Yeah, UJ fell 41 pips in like 3 or 4 minutes, and GJ fell 38 pips. So now the volume's basically dead. The volume's dead now. Gold, silver, they're not doing nothing either. Literally, like oh, DAX. Keep forgetting DAX, man. Right, so there's that. Where's 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock is there. 6 o'clock is there. Asia session is there. Price come up, took all them levels out, build up, sweeped it. Built up, sweeped it. Build up, sweeped it. Oh my god, there's an actual short on this. Bro, DAX is so good, man. DAX is so good. That's 85, probably like 12.5, I don't know. Because that's just following structure beautifully, that is. Build up, sweep. Then massive drop down. Pull back, drop down again, break structure there. There's a supply zone, drop all the way off. Yeah, DAX had a clean move, bro. Clean move. Like clean move. Then first leg, second leg, broke structure, tagged it, gave a break even, tagged it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I need to start looking at DAX more, man. It tends to be really good in London Open. So yeah, not much going on, Alan. I'm just gonna stick around till news at 9:30, so I can find out what's going on with the UK economy, and then after that I'm probably done. And then I'll come back for New York, see if New York has anything. Oh, Alan, apparently Iran sent bare more bombs overnight, like 8, 9, 1 in the morning UK time. Escalation attacks from Iran in response to ceasefire violations by the US. The US reportedly attacked Qasem Island with at least 3 projectiles, with at least 1 impact. In response, Iran responded with multiple drones and missiles and attacked Ali al-Salam US Air Base in Kuwait, Arif Jan military base in Kuwait, US Navy 5th Fleet base in Bahrain, and targets within UAE. Sirens are going off, and then possibly sirens in Saudi, no visual confirmation, and separatist headquarters in Iraq. Despite some Telegram channels spreading official IRG statements, the IRGC has not issued any statement.
Composite forecast 48.5, prior 48.5.
The IRGC has not issued any statements and they are fake. Okay, yeah, so that's fine. So it's not been confirmed yet by any Iranian officials. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Iraq, Bahrain, Kuwait, UAE, and apparently Saudi, but not confirmed. Let's look at Press TV then, because Press TV is quite good. Go one, Iran, go one. Okay, here's the... There's 9 hours ago now. Yeah, which is 1 o'clock still. Well, 12, 1 o'clock-ish, yeah. Footage of it hitting the base in Bahrain. Yeah, I can see footage, but I don't know if that's confirmed, innit? Oh, complete suspension of flights in Bahrain, Kuwait and UAE. So they stopped flights again. Oh, a malfunction American Patriot missile fails to intercept the upcoming missiles in Kuwait. Remember I was talking to you about the Patriot, Alan? The Patriot are the ones that cost them 1 million per defense. So it failed and it cost them $1 million. The Patriots. And they got another one, I don't know what they call it, but they're like 4.5 million or something like that per each defensive strike, whatever you want to call it. 136 Shahad drones in the sky of Kuwait. I love it. Here's picture of the debris from the drone. It's funny because a lot of the some of the creators are like, yeah, love it. Should just use Israelis that would be cheaper and effective. Good, key party, yeah, exactly, bro. Like some of the creators are walking away from the drone like, yeah, and they're not bothered, bro, because I think they know they kind of support Iran. IRGC aggression will be, yeah, still no one's confirmed the attacks yet. I want confirmation. Foreign Minister strongly condemned the aggression actions of the US, attacking an Iranian oil tanker in the Strait of Hormuz and attacking a telecommunications mast in Kesh Island. So that's written in Farsi, but apparently it's by Agarashi. But it's in Farsi, so I don't know. Yeah, Iranians, mate. We love it. ایران خوشگلی، خیلی خوشگلی، خیلی خوب ایران. قربونت برم ایران. Also, I've seen something funny. The X account Reform Friends of Israel is like accounts based in Israel. And funny how the Western media has not covered any of this because they don't even know what's going on. Western media has not covered any of this. They just cover and Trump says you won a war. Fucking idiots. Whoa. Marco Rubio, Secretary of State, yeah? Secretary of State admitted Iran had the audacity to build a real defensive shield of its own survival. That's exactly why the empire struck first. Are you fucking dumb? Look at the arrogance. Iran dared to defend itself against decades of aggression. Sanctions and assassination attempts from the USA. They weren't building an offensive force. They were creating enough missiles and drones with conventional weapons and even capability. Capable navy. They were slandering the navy before. Now they're saying it's Iran's got a capable navy. Oh yeah. They were simply telling the world, if you attack our nuclear sites, our territory, our people, we will hit back hard with swarms of missiles, waves of drones and naval operations that'll make you regret it. That's called sovereignty. That's called deterrence. What did he say? The US can't tolerate that. They can't allow any country, especially one that refuses to bow to the dollar and the rules-based disorder, to reach a point of real immunity. So Trump and the neocons decided to smash that emerging shield before Iran could complete it. It doesn't matter because they managed to build their own defense shield, innit? But I'm telling you, if Iran didn't have sanctions, yeah, they would have had nuclear bombs. They would have had all the money to build all these defense systems, yeah, way better than the Israelis' defense system, yeah. Honestly, Alan, yeah, but if they lift sanctions on Iran and then Iran goes back into like a normal country, I'm gonna live in Iran, bro. Honestly, like I'd rather live in Iran than live in Qatar or UAE or Oman. Even Oman, I'd rather live in Iran than live in Oman. Because at least they're strong and they defend themselves if they get like the 100% freedom. Because it'll be like UAE, but Islamic, and they got military power, so people won't fuck with them. It'd be the safest country, bro. I'd fully live there. And the weather's amazing and stuff like that. Best food, I don't know, bro. Like food's, I need to eat their food, innit, man. But I think their food's definitely gonna be better than Arab food. I think Persian food will definitely be better than Arab food. So yeah, markets are doing cock all, innit? I want CH. Nah, bro, Malaysia and Indonesia like Pakistan, Bangladesh, bro. That's why I'm not even joking. Not really, because China's moving in on them. China's moving in on Asia, bro. Bare Chinese own land in Indonesia. Indonesia's economy is literally collapsing. It's at record level lows, yeah, against the dollar. That means China's gonna go buy Indonesia. Nah, it's not. Trust me, it's not. It's not. Indonesia and Malaysia are the same, bro. There's bare Chinese in Malaysia. There's bare Chinese in Indonesia. You're just watching the videos of Muslims going to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, bro. You can go to Islamabad. Islamabad's amazing, bro. You can go to Marrakesh in Morocco. It's amazing, bro. The countries are shit. Morocco is shit. Pakistan shit. Egypt is shit, but Cairo is amazing. Marrakesh is amazing. Islamabad's amazing. It's the same thing with Indonesia. Like Bali looks amazing, but Indonesia's cooked. Jakarta looks amazing, but Indonesia's cooked. Yeah, Cairo looks. Yeah, Alan, AD's Alan. Yeah, he's just come back from there about. How long has it been? A week or two, innit? About 1 week or 2 weeks, I think. He come back from there. But point saying the countries are cooked, yeah. But obviously the capitals are always going to be amazing, aren't they? Because all the money's in the capital. I've got friends from Malaysia, Indonesia, bro. Trust me, it's not all that. And you, okay, so you think, yeah, that Malaysia, Indonesia doesn't have scammers? Are you serious? Are you, bro? All of the Indonesians and Malaysians I've met, yeah, they've all asked me for money, bro. Customer, all of them have. They goes, oh, bro, like we're poor in it. Like, have you got any money, bro? Like, bro, like, can you get us a job, or bro? Customer, I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking, bro. Yeah, and where did you go to? Kuala Lumpur. Exactly, as a tourist, yeah, traveling around, yeah. And where was it? Kuala Lumpur, yeah. I don't know, bro. If you're going there as a tourist, yeah, versus living there, I'm telling you, bro, it's the same as Pakistan and stuff like that. You go to Islamabad, walk around Islamabad, walk around Kashmir, which other cities? It's the same, trust me. Same thing, man, trust me. Malaysia's better, but it's not what most people make it out to be. Oh shit, the news come out good. 47.9 forecast, 49.3, still below 50, but we're getting near there. So it's good. Composite 48.5, come out 49.7. Bro, Malaysians, Indonesians are the same, bro. Legit. Also, yeah, like, depending what type of Muslim you are, I don't know what type of Muslim they are, bro. Indonesians believe in muta marriage and stuff like that, so I don't know what's going on with them. Whenever I ask them what type of Muslim are you, I'm like Shia, Sunni, whatever. They're like, oh, we don't really know, bro. We're just Muslim. So we don't even know what fiqh they are, bro. And then that's mad, because when I spoke to him, they like believe in muta marriage, like some Indonesians do, and Indonesian Malaysians have the same type of religious belief. They're weird, man. They're cooked. Okay, Yen's falling off. Yen's doing a move. Yen's doing a move. So Bank of Japan, UADA's talking now. Yeah, I know, but the point is, you know what fiqh they believe in it, because like, if the Shia believe in muta marriage and stuff like that, they believe in it, that's wrong, innit? You know what I'm trying to say? Obviously, point as I'm trying to say is that when you ask them like, what school of thought do you follow, they don't even know. Yeah, they're Arab in it, man, and they've been in poverty for a long time, innit? And it's one of those things. You know, Indonesia, Malaysia have had more stable economies over the last 50, 100 years, yeah? Whereas Egypt hasn't had a stable economy. Obviously, it's a knock-on effect what you're seeing now, innit? Of all these scammers. But you stick it on him, as Alan said, you stick it on him, bro, they'll be alright. It looks good, but it's not, trust me, it's not. Jakarta looks good, Bali looks good, but trust me, like, when you go to like other places and stuff, it's bad, bro, it's bad. It's not good at all. One thing I do like is that their policing's good. Their policing is good, and they've also brought adultery law. If you do adultery, you get thrown in jail. Fantastic. I love that. My mate showed me a video. One of her friends got caught, yeah, sleeping with the married man in it, yeah. And then the police come, grabbed her, chucked her in jail and everything. I seen the videos. Mad, bro. At the house, everyone's arguing. Yo, mad. And his wife's friend. It's his wife's friend, bro. Madness in Indonesia, bro. Madness. I was like, yo, that was in Sulawesi, not Jakarta. Yeah, I know. TC in it. Now Italy's racist, Alan, man. I told you, innit? One of our uncle-in-laws was living in Italy for like 20 years. The kids were born there and they're bare racist to him and stuff like that. And he used to work in a bakery, I think, man. Or something like that. Yeah, it's nice places, but they're not Muslim friendly, innit? Because uncle was telling us that, oh yeah, they like this, they like that. Yeah, Muslims, innit? They're racist to Muslims. Bro, if they don't like Asians, but they don't like Arabs. They don't like Arabs, yeah. They don't like majority of Asian people, yeah. Which are brown people are majority Muslim, bro. Yeah, Rome will be nice. Okay, let's see what Governor Ueda said then to find out why the yen fell off a cliff. Oh fuck! Look at that, boy, yo! Look at that wick. Fuck me. You know what I mean? You can't trade this market, man. Like, what are you supposed to do, bro? Legit, what are you supposed to do in this market, man? Let's see what Governor Ueda said then. Might as well go M15 on here, and then drop that down there, and then bring this over to 4 o'clock in it. Because I'm going to trade New York session. And I don't think that's going to get tagged. I think that's going to be our high. So we're going to be playing within this zone as well, I think. This sort of range right here. Yeah, but I was blending in. Handsome geezer like me, Italian, but bare Asian families, to be honest. Alan, yeah, you're like 242, relax, man. They'd be like, oh, he's a child. They'd be like, are you okay? Are you lost? Man short and built like a mask that's on the got the anorexia. He looked like an anorexic mouse, Alan. Oh fuck. CHFJPY. You're 5'4", 630 kg. Fuck off, yeah. I'm 5'7", yeah, and I'm 100 in it. So high, dickhead. Oh man. Nah, that's the same in it. It's the same as GJ and UJ, man. Same price action and movement. Same thing. Brand Mr. Blobby. Mr. Blobby. Mr. Blobby. There's a squeak sounds in it. Yeah. So anyway, let's see what Japan's saying then. Listen, I'm 5'7.5", you dickheads. Our basic stance is to continue raising policy rates in accordance with economic, price, and financial developments. He's basically saying, yeah, raising rate hikes. We're still continuing with that. This is oil prices increases not as large as the first oil crisis, but is comparable in magnitude to other shocks. We'll continue to raise policy rates at appropriate pace if it judges that likelihood of realizing baseline scenarios will rise. Likely that a rise in crude oil price will push up the price not only of energy but also price in general, particularly of a wide range of goods, of course, because you import a lot of stuff, international business and trade. Even if situation regarding Middle East remains unclear, should it be judged that upside risks to price outweigh downside risks to economical activity, it'd be necessary to thoroughly discuss pros and cons. I think he's talking about rate hikes, pros and cons. The environment in Japan today has changed significantly compared to 4 years ago, as countries' deflationary mindset has been dispelled and the wage and price setting behavior of firms has been more active. Yes, so they're coming away from deflation, they're coming into inflation now, which is because of the war, which makes sense because the last 4 years we've had COVID and stuff like that. The banks will strive to fulfill the mandate to achieve price stability by means of appropriate monetary policy. They're trying to say, obviously, rate hike to reduce inflation costs. This is crucial not only in terms of preventing downside pressure on economic activity stemming from rising prices, but also for ensuring stability of the financial and capital markets. And this is the last statement they made 2 minutes ago. The economic is expected to continue growing moderately, albeit at a declined rate, likely to be underpinned by high levels of corporate profits, various economical pressures, policy measures, and accommodative financial conditions. Basically, what they're saying, yeah, or they made another statement just now. There is a possibility cannot be ruled out that large-scale disruptions in supply chains will occur, exerting. It's not exert, it's G in it. Exerting a significant impact on the production activity of Japanese firms. I think they're talking about selling cars and stuff like that. Manufacturing wise, they ship a lot of cars out, innit? Interesting. They're basically saying, yeah, they're still going to cut rates. We're happy with cutting rates, but we're going to be mindful of when it happens, and we're going to be looking at the economy as well as a whole, innit? And Forex. So it makes sense. 5-5 rolling down his street. Fuck off, Haroon, yeah? How tall are you, you faggot? How tall are you, Haroon? So that makes sense why we had that bit of a wiki wick, innit? 5'9", yeah, fuck off, innit? How much do you weigh? I'm 5'7.5", man. Shut up. How much do you weigh? Over and a half stone. What's that in kg? That's like 85 kilos, innit? Hey, you're a lamppost, man. You're a lamppost. I'm like a facility, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm a unit. You ain't got nothing on me, man. I'm a unit. I'm an establishment. Yeah, 80 kg, that's nothing, bro. I'll fart and you'll fly away. You know what I mean? I'm a unit, me, mate. I'm a full-on... What's it called? Nah, I play footy only to keep my weight down. Yeah. I'm losing weight now, though. I've lost 4 kg in about a month. Yeah, just by doing my walks and shit like that. But this week I can't walk in it because it's raining fucking every day, man. Can't get my walks in. I've done, yeah, in 1 month, I've done about 80-90 kilometers, yeah. So about 55-60 miles I've done in 1 month. So because I've been going at it quite hard, yeah, I've lost a lot of weight, bro. And my diet's really good now, because before I used to be a fat cunt. Ask Alan. And now, like, my diet's like proper sorted itself out. But now the weather's coming in play, bro. This week's gonna be raining. I'm gonna have to do like a hard walk on the weekend. Like, proper... I might just walk to flipping Derby and back. That's like 30 miles. No, 20 miles. I normally get like well, you know, for dinner, like for food, yeah, what I normally do is I go to obviously the local butcher, get masala chicken, yeah, like breast piece, get 1 or 2 pieces, and I'll have one of those in a burger, air fried, and then I'll have literally 1 handful of potato wedges, literally like just like a small handful of potato wedges, and that's me done for the whole day. For the whole day I'm done. And I drink like 3 or 4 liters of water. I would do that. I would do a 30-mile walk for a Nando's. Why not? I would do that walk for Nando's. Why not? Just me, this idiot, yeah, whenever we go Nando's, we order full platter, yeah? He has literally quarter chicken. They be like, oh, I'm full, man. I'm full. You have the rest, innit? Why the fuck you order half chicken, full chicken platter, yeah? If you're gonna have 1 Thai piece. That's me, what's wrong with you? What a woman. The I'm too full of Red Bull, man. Shake my head. Eat it over here. Exactly, innit, Haroon? Tell him, man. And he likes Nando's as well. He's just a faggot. Exactly. Honestly, like, I didn't realize, you know, obviously now that I'm having like protein based food and stuff, yeah, guess what, I didn't realize how full you feel from the food. Like, you feel proper full, man. It's really good. Like, you feel like well fed and stuff. Like, you're not hungry and stuff after. Yours is not doing good. That's our next level for support. Yeah, I need to love the SIGs as well, man. I'm not having them as much because I normally have them when I go dance yard or something like that in it, yeah, but I've cut down quite a bit, to be fair. Okay, USD card's gone up as well. That's me, what? Patience, man, patience. USD card's clean up to there, so I'm gonna have to wait for USD card to go up here. I'm gonna get rid of this low. I'll keep these two there for New York session. Now it's raining, man. Like, it's fully raining now, grey clouds and everything, so I can't go for a walk today. And get rid of the 930 candle because I'm probably not gonna trade now. Now let's look at CAD CHF again on M1. Was there any entry on this yet? First leg, second leg. First leg, second leg broke structure. Held back here within 1-2 minutes. I suppose possibly would have. Oh. Probably would have missed, depending on the. Oh fuck. 1.5. Nah. On signals. I'll give you a higher time frame if you want. I'll do like higher time frame in it, yeah. Price swept out all these highs and moving lower. Literally, I've had that marked out for a while. Price took all these highs and it's been going down since. So I think we're going to continue to keep going down until we come into this low. We might get a bounce off of this low and then price will continue to come down after that because ultimately we're bearish, man. Build up, took that level out. Had a lovely reaction there. Retrace back in. Probably find a sweep within that level as well, to be fair. If we go on the 1 hour, yeah, probably find something in that level. No, I can't find anything. But anyway, yeah, price took out this high here. Moved down. Build up, sweeped it, broke structure. Built up here, sweeped it, broke structure. Built up here, sweeped it, broke structure. Price is bearish. Then you had a bunch of highs here, which is more clear on the 4 hour. The fuck is raining now properly, man. They're more clear on 4 hour. Sweeped it, broke structure, go back to 1 hour. You had these highs here, sweeped it, broke structure. The price is going bearish, so I'm gonna say keep going bearish on EU, GU and stuff like that. I'd say till at least these lows here. So Thursday's May's low, which if you go to DXY in the daily, would bring us back to the high of this channel here. But don't get laptops though, innit, man, because I told you the laptops are shit for battery, bro. They have no life because the batteries get cooked, innit. Which is why with the computer you have a full power supply unit to power the content. Dan's got a laptop, yeah. He paid about $2 grand for his laptop, and his laptop's sick, yeah. And honestly, when he games on it, bro, the laptop droll, bro. It comes all the way down. Literally, I think from 100%, yeah, it drops to 30% in about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. When he's got the laptop on full blast. When he's playing like a proper full blast game. Yeah, but then when you unplug it and when you use the laptop as standard, it's gonna have no battery in it. You can't use it as a laptop as standard then. Build a desktop, man. Buy a cheap laptop anyway, but then spend your money on a desktop. I'll tell you, this computer's gangster, bro. Obviously, it's not one of the best spec computers you can get, but still, desktops are way better, man. And then have like a cheap little laptop in it for like moving around and shit like that. I'm still gonna build a laptop, but it's gonna be like a trading laptop. So like it's for like traveling and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to build it where you can have like 3 or 4 screens on it and stuff like that. But that's gonna cost more. If it costs me 3k to build this, it'll probably cost me 5k to build a laptop. Yeah, this is the thing, innit, man. You keep going around with your mums and dads. If you sit in one place, you'll be alright, innit? But you can't sit still. If it's just at your dad's, you can just chuck the desktop there and then you're good, innit? Yeah, true. Just get a cheap laptop then. Get something like okay then. But laptops are still expensive, you know. They're expensive. But anyway, yeah, if we're gonna keep coming down on EU, naturally you're gonna keep coming up on DXY. So I think when we come back and take these highs again, last week's high on Thursday on DXY, then maybe we'll continue to start dropping down again, so we might get a recovery. Because remember, we're in a range ultimately, man. We've been in a range for 2 weeks. We've been in a range on GU and EU. Same thing. We've been in a range for almost 20 days. Asus tough A16. Let's have a look. Fuck, it's raining bare now. I'll have to close the window. I don't want the computer to get wet. Fuck's sake. Oh, Japan made more comments, wait. There is no sign past rate hikes or curbing the corporate food demand. That's good. Rengo results. What's Rengo? Shows a wage growth around 5% has been agreed not only for large firms but also relatively small firms. Okay, so they're doing wage growth as well. European Central Bank, fuck them. Japan's real interest rate is still low. I think it's trying to say that for other countries to borrow money. Upside risk in price appears to be greater overall and likely to emerge sooner based on data and anecdotal info available so far. CPI is likely to pick up pace due to oil. If we delay a necessary response, it could force a raise rates sharply, which would in turn hurt the economy and impose a huge burden on the market and financial system. Kuwait said Iran attacks are causing damage to diplomatic missions. Apparently Kuwait said that. It's not confirmed who said that from Kuwait, but they said that. Okay, so what is it? Asus is a good brand anyway. Let's have a look then. Oh, that's 1,200 specs. Which model is it? You got like 4 models here, bro. You got the 8 up, 8 PP, 8 PM, 8 UM. I don't know what the difference is. And 8 UH. Which one? 980. Grab the link and drop it in the chat. I'll see which one exactly it is and what it looks like. Actually, let me find it. Wait. Hoodies. Fuck's sake. Just there. Have a look here then. You're on about the 990 in it, yeah? Oh fuck, I got it here. Is it this one here? Let me add the screen onto this. Is it this one? It's a 990 in it. Basically a grand. Nah, on Ace's website here, it said 1000 look here. $5060 GPU, 1 terabyte. How much is this? There's the price. 1400 this is. And if you go for the 5050, you go for 5050, there's 1200. That's the one about, I don't know. It's HD though. Where's like the specs, man? There's a spec tab in it. Here you go. That's an old graphics card, but it's okay. 8 gig DDR6 is DDR5 16 gig ain't bad. DDR5, that's not bad. 165 refresh is good on a 16-inch screen on 2K for HD. This is expensive for what it is though, man. For a grand, this is pricey for a grand. I'd expect something like this for like 700 quid. You might have to wait a bit longer because prices are coming down for laptops. Oi, Amazon. We'll do 700 to 1250. They do lowest in price. I want a good GPU, man. Ideally DDR5. We probably want 1 terabyte. Fuck it, we can leave that. $3050 isn't bad, you know. Intel i5 13th gen, I think that is. This is MSI. MSI is a good brand. i5 13th gen isn't bad at all. That's not bad. .144 Hz monitor. Processor ain't bad. RAM DDR5 16 gig. That's not bad. That's not bad. Display. Didn't say about the free 144 in Hz. 3050. Alan, this laptop ain't bad, you know. For 750 quid. Or you can get it used for 580. Wait, Alan, look, 580 used. That's not bad, you know. It looks good, yeah. It looks good. Why is it doing that? Fuck off. Oh. Yeah, that looks good, you know. 750 brand new. That's yeah. The CPU's okay. The GPU's okay. The RAM's good enough, and it's DDR5. That was 750. See if we can get anything much better for a little bit more. Yeah, but you want a big monitor if you're gaming, and you don't want a small monitor, surely. What size do you want then? You got 15.5 inch here. The markets are still arse, man. Oh, got you. Okay. One sec. I suppose it doesn't matter if it's good price anyway, innit, man? If it's a good price, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, fair enough. One sec. Alright, close. Might as well close all the accounts down, innit? And then. I'll have a look in a second. I like MSI. My monitors are MSI, innit? And they're a good gaming brand, I think. I feel like they're a good brand. But does it matter if it's 17-inch? Because you're not going to be playing on the monitor anyway. I'm doing it by lowest price, innit? So it's just ended up being a good deal on a 17-inch. No, it says here 15-inch monitor. Yeah, don't mind. Here's a MSI Cyborg. Same CPU. They only have 512 SSD though, which is shit. So you will need memory on that. Let me get you want what memory do you want? Do you want like a terabyte or is half a terabyte enough? 500 gig. I'd say 500 gigs enough, man. I'd say 500 gigs enough. So these are the cheapest ones. Yeah. Well, think of it like this. I've downloaded, Ghost of Tsushima, Wuthering Waves, Assetto Corsa. What are the games? And I'm probably about 40 gig in. No, about 100 gig in. So I think half a terabyte would be enough. If you need to buy another half terabyte, you can buy it cheap off eBay, innit? Yeah, I don't know if I'll play that because it's gonna be the same type of game basically, innit? I'll probably get bored. I don't know, I'll see. Oh, did you know they're making a movie on Ghost of Tsushima? They're making a movie on it, bro. Ghost of Tsushima is getting a movie. It's gonna be sick, you know. Custom is gonna be a Badman movie. Yes. Let's do MSI then, innit? Brand. Where's brand? Is that the top? Yeah. Right, so I've done MSI now. I'll do it. What? I'll search it in it. That's got a 3060 GPU on there, which ain't bad. 3060s are okay. 28% off, wow. What's the spec on this? DDR6 on the RAM. Ooh, 6 gig. Yeah, that's not really enough. That's 11th gen. But that's not bad. That's not bad. Memory's DDR4. That's going to be slow. That's going to be slow. So that one's not a good katana. Oh, this one's nice. i7 12th gen. With the 4060. That's okay. And DDR4. Why DDR4, man? Because it's looking good to us in DDR4. Some of these are a bit pricey, man. What's the CPU? Intel i7. About 1300 in it, 1400. These are like mid-tier laptops, mid-tier, not high tier. They're like middle range in it. 3050 Ti 16 gig, that's not bad. To be honest, bro, here's a good gaming laptop, yeah. 32 gig. DDR5, that's enough. That's enough. Ryzen 7 isn't bad. So here's more of a better laptop, to be honest. 32 gig DDR5, 4060, which is probably a 16 gig. I think 4060 is a 16 gig, I think. Oh, this is a really good one. This is same as what Dan's got. Well, how much RAM? No way, 64 gig RAM. Fuck off, you're lying. What? Why is 64 gig RAM more expensive? That don't make sense. But he's got the one with the 5070 GPU in it, and his laptop quality is good. You know, that's a 2K GPU, so run it in 2K. But yeah, these katanas are expensive, Alan. i9 14th gen with the 5070 with 32 gig DDR5 and 1 tera. This is a good laptop. This is a good laptop. Yeah, this is good. i9 14th gen. Yeah, really good CPU. Really good CPU. QHD. That's 2K, 165 Hertz. That's a sick laptop, this is. I like this, Alan. I really like that. That's nice. There's no other news. Oh, videos of the... Yo, I don't know how true this is, but Kuwait got slapped. Oh fuck, look at that. Oh, they slapped them hard there. Fuck you, Kuwait, suck a dick. Mohsen Reza, senior advisor to the leader. Every act of aggression. Oh no. I want to follow him. What's his name? Mohsen Razi. He has an account, yeah? And it's IR Razai. And his picture is him holding his chin. Yeah, this geezer here. Already you can't. When did they post? IRRA. Ah, yeah, it is a dodgy account. It's a dodgy account. Unfollow. Fuck off, mate. Let me find the IR. IR underscore Res I. Official account of, yeah, there you go. Got it. Perfect. Mark the thingy on. I'm just following all of the Iranian officials in it.
Obviously very aggressively cooperative, like the UAE as an example. Kuwait's been fantastic. Obviously no country likes to have their oil and their energy infrastructure hit, but I think it's a reminder to them of the threat that Iran poses. And the one lesson when this is all said and done is it's reminded them of, you know, despite all the friendly talk that you've seen in the past,
uncoordinated actions.
No, I think our allies in the region have been very cooperative. Some obviously very aggressively cooperative, like the UAE as an example. Kuwait's been fantastic. Obviously no country likes
that's not confirmation really, but yeah, I suppose UAE and Kuwait did attack Iran. So fuck a minute, go on Iran, take them. Take UAE, take Kuwait, make it part of Iran. I want greater Iran. Not greater Israel, I want greater Iran. Yeah, I love these lot, man. They're so good. I don't know, you still here or not? I'm guessing Haroon's already gone. I'm guessing I'm here alone then, so I'm gonna dip. Going back to TradingView now for a second just to check if there's any other reactions in the market. No, good to go. Send and update the account on here as well with thingy thing. Right then, I'll trade New York session in Discord most likely. See you boys later if anyone is still here. If not, no problem, that's totally fine. Let's have a look at gold and silver really quick, slowly dripping down. I just want to have another look at the indices and shit really quickly. They're all up. They know what's gonna happen. Up 2%, down, UAE, gas up. Oil is, yeah, if they go back above 100, I knew it was going to come back above 100 again. So what's going to happen again? I can tell. Right, peace out. Hit like, subscribe if you want, don't really care about that. See you in New York session. Bye.
you.